Quick little video on basically like creeps me out. I feel like someone's gonna murder me. Anywho, okay. Anyways, so we're gonna be doing a dance with it, and let me just say, girls are gross. Hey there, YouTube. So today I'm going to be talking about community bathrooms in college. Now, I had a bathroom that was not connected to my room, nor was it connected to another girl's room. It was down at the end of the hall, and a bunch of girls shared it. Basically, on the whole 4th floor, we all shared this one bathroom. And it can lead to some experiences, and I've learned a lot, and I think there's some tips that, as a person, I mean, people just should know how to be respectful. That's the main thing I'm going to be talking about today. Just little things to be aware of when you're using a community bathroom. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So first thing I want people to be aware of, as you can see, I have a lot of hair and it tends to fall out, and I'm aware of that. And so when I take a shower, I make sure that any hair that falls out, I grab it and make sure I clean up after myself when I'm done the shower. And that's one thing that I know is kind of a big problem in community bathrooms. A lot of times, like after people shower, when I go in to use the shower, I notice that there's a bunch of hair, and there's like hair all over the walls and stuff. And it's kind of really gross if you have to go use the shower after someone and you just see their hair like all over the walls, all over the floor. Like, I don't want to clean up someone else's hair. I'm fine cleaning up my own hair, but to walk in and have to clean someone else's hair, like, that's just kind of unsanitary. No, thank you. Just make sure to clean up after yourself. Like, it's super easy. It takes a few seconds. Like, take up your hair and throw it away. Next is music. So me and my friend Kiala, shout out to Kiala if you watch my videos, we were in the bathroom actually at the same time taking showers, and there was another girl in there with us, and apparently, like, it's not something you think about. So it was like 2 in the morning, and we had been up studying, and so obviously we're thinking like, okay, you gotta be quiet, like we're gonna take a quick shower, like people are sleeping, and it's in the middle of the hallway, and it echoes. It's a tile bathroom. And this girl is like playing some throwback music from the 2000s, like full blast on her speaker, like not just on her phone, on her speaker, and it's 2 in the morning. We were just like, what? Like, that's crazy. So definitely having kind of a common sense of respect for those. Be aware of what time you're taking a shower, be aware that there are other people sleeping, be aware of that it echoes in the bathroom and it becomes much, much louder and it goes out into the hallway. And then also being aware if other people are playing music. So like, I'm not the one to really play music. I have this thing where it like creeps me out. I feel like someone's gonna murder me. Anywho, but just be aware, like sometimes I'll be taking a shower and someone next to me will be playing some Sam Hunt. Some people will be playing some Cardi B, and then another person will be playing some Hillsong music, and it's just like all loud in the bathroom and you just hear all this music. And sometimes for some people, like, showering is their time to relax and kind of meditate and just like have a moment at the end of the day, and having all that commotion is crazy. Now, I'm not saying like don't play your music, but play it respectfully. Don't play it super loud. Don't try to drown out other people's music. Like, it's fine. Or don't play music. Like, go take a shower another time. I don't know, but just be aware of that. Also, this just goes in with just cleaning up after yourself in the shower. Again, this may be TMI for people, but I didn't have this problem, but I know some of my friends would go into the bathroom and there would be some dirty tampons in there, which is really gross. I don't care if you're a girl, if you're a guy, if you're a dog, if you're a fly, like, that's just, no, you don't do that. As respect for other human beings, again, it's a whole respect thing. I get it if you forget it. I'm sorry, like, no worries if you forget about it, whatever, but please, like, clean up after yourself. Like, bottom line is clean up after yourself after you're done using the shower. Make sure you leave it in a nice way where someone else would like to go shower in that shower and not be grossed out. People leave their razors, they leave their hair, they leave their dirty band-aids. Like, just be aware. I think bottom line, girls are kind of gross. Which brings me to my next thing. I'm going to be talking about some things that you need for showers just to kind of make life easier. Into the
tools you need. Not tools.
What am I, Bob the Builder?
So, talking about gross showers, I recommend getting shower sandals. You can find them super cheap at Old Navy, and I'm pretty sure somewhere else will sell them, just like the little foam ones. That's all you need, just to wear while you're in the shower. I know it may be kind of inconvenient if you like want to wash your feet, but you just never know like what's been on the shower floor. Like I've said, there's been dirty band-aids, whatever. You have an open cut, you don't want to get infected. That's super gross. So you just never know. I just wear shower sandals just to be safe. Next would be a shower caddy. Now, I didn't have one all the first semester.
What?
Second semester, my friend Isabella had one, and it was kind of like getting holes in it, so I just sewed those up, and she got a new one, and I used it, and honestly, it made life so much easier. Like, you don't want to be thinking about losing or misplacing, or maybe you maybe you leave your razor in the shower and then you forget it. But if you have it in your shower caddy, you can just take it out, put it back in, and you're good. You have it to go easier. I can put my body wash, my shampoo, my conditioner, my razors, and then sometimes I like to change into like brown underwear, whatever, after the shower, and I could put that in there. Like, it worked out perfectly, and it makes life so much easier. Rather than I was carrying things all in my hand, I probably look ridiculous. But
my mom kept telling me you need to get one, and I was like, no, I don't need that. Listen to your mom, okay? She knows when you're going college shopping.
I didn't listen to her, as usual. Stubborn me. But listen to your mom if she's telling you to get one, because they really help. Also, I recommend, see, this is optional, you can use a towel. I know some people like wrapping themselves up in a towel after their shower. I don't know how to tie a towel. I'm learning. I don't know how to tie a towel all professionally like they do in the movies, so having a robe definitely helped when like getting out of the shower. That way I can just carry my towel and use my towel for my hair. I don't like it when my hair is like dripping wet all over me after a shower, and so having a robe really helped with that, so I could just use the towel for my hair and the robe for my body. And so having a robe, I don't know where to get one, really. I think Target or anywhere would sell it, Walmart maybe. I don't know, but I got one for I got mine for a gift, so I'm not sure. But yeah, and then razors, of course. I mean, if you shave, whatever you do, like, don't forget those. Those are important. And little hand towels, they sell packs, I know, at Target for like $2. And it's like a pack of maybe 6 or 7. And you can use them for, you know, keeping them by your sink in your room. If you have a sink in your room to wash your hands, you can use them for your face. There's some of them are different colors, so that's really helpful. So you can color coordinate, like, which ones are for what. I really like that. And then you can bring them in the shower if you want to like wash your face, and especially like if you just want to wash this and make sure things stay sanitary, you're not like getting chemicals all over your face. You want to keep that face nice and clean. And then have a towel maybe to clean up your room, or like if you're doing some cleaning, some dusting. Like, it's perfect. They're just small and they're cheap, and it comes in a pack. And then lastly, I would say
not to bring too much stuff to college, I would say you'd at least need 2 towels. That way, if you just use one, if you have a robe and you use a towel for your hair, then you can have one that's clean when the other one's dirty, or having 2 towels, that one to wrap and then one for your hair. So that works out kind of perfectly. I would say minimum 2 towels. Obviously, if you want to bring more, go ahead.
Well, follow me on Instagram, and it's the same name as my YouTube in life. On there, you can ask me some questions, DM me, like if you have any ideas for videos and stuff, I'd love to hear about it. Also, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you later. Bye!
Oh, I forgot my thing. Bye!